What's going on, guys? It's Greeny here. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we'll be talking about the best Solana sniping bot that you can get out there for free, guys, and maximize your profits trading Solana meme coins by using this bot. Don't forget the sign up link for that bot is in the description below, so do check that out before signing up. As always, guys, please subscribe to help me grow this channel and to help me educate more people out there and get this content to them. Here's the video, guys. As always, guys, I'll start with a disclaimer. None of this information should be considered financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. All right, my absolute favorite bot right now to trade Solana meme coins is Pepeboost. The best way to sign up, guys, is either in the description below, clicking that Pepeboost link, or coming to my Twitter page where it says Linktree, clicking on that, guys, and opening this page. Click on this tab right here. It's going to prompt you like this, and then obviously you're going to need Telegram in your web to enable Pepeboost to be used while trading meme coins, and that makes it super easy to have your charts side by side, the Telegram app on your web. So once you've done that, obviously it's going to look like this, guys. So as you can see here, I have obviously used it, so it's going to be slightly different to yours, but it's the same at the start. It's going to prompt you like this. Okay, it's going to give you a little bit of introduction. You click /start, and essentially it's going to give you which language you'd like to set. So for me, I'm obviously English speaking, so I click English. Then it's going to generate a wallet for you, and it's going to punch you out a private key. Now, once you've got those private keys and that wallet address, guys, you need to keep that private key nice and safe. Two different ways: keep that offline, write it down, okay, somewhere, and store that somewhere safely, or alternatively import your wallet or export your wallet from Pepeboost to Phantom, and Phantom stores it on chain through their wallet as well. So Phantom is definitely a good way to keep it on chain and nice and safe as well for your tokens. Now, obviously, if you want to deposit Solana in, this is your deposit address. And then obviously it's the same premise as sending Solana anywhere else, guys. So send it from your Phantom wallet into your Pepeboost wallet. And as you can see here, I deposited 0.25 Solana, and then it prompted me like this. So if we go all the way to the bottom, guys, this is what it currently looks like. So once you've got enough Solana in there to start trading, I'm going to show you how this bot is insane, because it gives you take profits, it gives you buy orders, and it gives you the ability to snipe tokens that have just been created or that are currently about to be launched. So that's epic, because there's so many Telegram bots and other bots out there that currently aren't doing this. So I'm a big fan of what these guys are doing here at Pepeboost. So quickly, guys, this is what my current settings are. Essentially, slippage is just how much price action is moving, okay? The higher your slippage is, the more likely you're going to be able to get into trades, because it enables you to fluctuate with price, okay? And particularly important, obviously, if you're sniping some of these meme coins, because they pump straight away, because you, me, other people out there with lots of bots are trying to snipe these tokens straight away to make some crazy gains. Obviously, this is what I have. I have it set at 50% because that covers me enough. Now, obviously, buy and sell are your priority fees, so you can set that at whatever you like. If you're swing trading, you can set it a little bit lower. If you're someone that's sniping some of these tokens straight away at launch, then probably set it slightly higher. So 0.01 Solana would be more than enough, okay, priority fee. Similar with the sniping tool, guys. Obviously, if you are sniping some of these degenerate sort of tokens at a really low market cap, then ideally you want this to be quite high. So for me, I've currently got it set at 0.005, but 0.01 Solana would definitely be sufficient for you to trade. You can change all of those tokens, all of those different settings in the description here. As you can see, buy gas, sniper, free, priority fees, etc. Priority fees, slippage down the bottom, slippage up the top as well. So chuck in the settings, figure out which works for the type of trading that you're going to be doing. The last thing I'll comment on, guys, this button here, send CA auto buy, essentially that just shows you if you paste in a contract, it's going to buy it straight away for you using the default buy amount here. So that's an auto buy feature. For me, I don't like to do that because I like to safely check these tokens before I get into them. So for example, I'm just going to show you what happens live if I take a trade. So say this is a beautiful chart that I'm looking at, mini here. I'd copy the contract address from Dex Screener, and this is why it's important to have Telegram in your web browser, because you can just switch between the tabs. If I paste it in here, it's going to beautifully give me a lot of data about this particular token. So obviously it's going to show me my wallet balance. As you can see here, I'm currently holding a small amount. My P&L is 0%, so it hasn't moved up or it hasn't moved down. It gives me a quick analysis of how many buyers have bought this token, what the market cap is, and what the current price is. This is beautiful here because it gives me the security as well, and that's what I love about Pepeboost. It has all these features packed into one particular bot. So renounce, LP burnt, freeze, revoked. You definitely want all three ticks, no matter the meme coin you're getting into, whether you're sniping it straight at launch or whether you're buying a market cap that's over 100 million. Okay, you want to have those three. Keep an eye on top 10 holders as well. You don't want that to exceed anywhere over 30%, because otherwise you run the risk that a lot of top holders could dump on you and essentially rug your token. As you can see here, it gives you a little bit about whether trading is open, how old the token is, and obviously the liquidity as well. So make sure there's obviously liquidity in there so that you can buy and sell this token nice and quickly. The last thing, guys, it shows you is that it shows you the Twitter and Telegram. If you click on these links, and obviously the deck screener chart too, you can check out whether this meme coin has potential, because it obviously has some socials and community people and the dev and the team essentially looking to push this higher into the millions. If they don't have socials, okay, so if they don't have a Twitter or they don't have a Telegram, then more than likely that meme coin goes to zero very quickly. So always be careful. As you can see, this is what it looks like, guys. So for example, if I refresh my position, okay, come up here, my balance. So as you can see here, it's pumped up a little bit. So I put in 0.25 sol. So not quite 1%, but it has pumped a little bit, okay? So you can refresh your trade very quickly. You can also generate P&Ls, which is super clean if you want to be dropping it in Discord groups, if you want to be dropping it on Twitter. Obviously, these are my preset settings. If I wanted to buy more of this token, I can click one of these and it would promptly go through and execute that trade. If I want to sell this token, I can click one of these preset buttons, or I can sell a certain percentage. So say you're someone that likes to take initials out at 2x, which is my golden rule, okay? I would either have this set at sell 50%, or I would obviously type in sell 50% here when prompting the bot for taking some profits on a potential pump. So that's what it looks like. Now, some other great settings that I love about this particular bot is if you / okay, it's going to give you a range of different options here. So a whole different thing. And again, they even have help assistance on the bot. So you can obviously refer to that, or obviously let me know down below if you have any questions or assistance. I can help you out. So if I click on / asset, guys, it's going to show me my current holdings, okay, my current positions, whether I'm up or whether I'm down. So as you can see here, I've got 13 sol in here. I'm currently down 40% on my Devon trade, and I'm currently at 0% or break even on my mini trade. So that's beautiful, because again, you can refresh this and you can change your buy or your sells straight away from there. Obviously, if you want to look at trades, it's going to show you some different data, okay? So let's have a look at this once a prompt. So as you can see here, again, super clean. So this keeps you up to date with what's happening on all your trades without all this extra jargon, extra nonsense that you need. So those are the two great features that I also love. The last couple of things that I want to show you guys is limit. So if we click / limit, let's just do it again. So I'll put in mini as an example. So we put in mini. Down the bottom here, limit order. Now, limit order just means you can take profits. So say mini gets to 20 million. I want to take all of my profits out because that's a juicy 2x, okay? So I would set a limit of take profit at 20 million, okay? So as you can see here, at specified price. So if I come back here, I'd set it at 0.2 because that would be my 0.02 because that would be my 2x. Obviously, if you want to sell for price change, that makes it even easier because obviously you can type in the amount of percentage that you would like. So for example, as you can see here, I want to sell out at 100% because I've made a 2x on my investment. The alternative is, obviously, if you want to buy it at a little bit lower, you come back to the chart, you can enter the price. So say I like this fib level here at 0.0658. I could punch that in, okay? So buy at a specified price, punch it in here, okay? And it would allow you to buy and limit order this particular meme coin. Now, what I love about that is that it enables you not to have to spend 24/7 looking at the charts. You can set particular levels that you want, buy a limit order or sell a take profit and lock in some crazy gains. So that's what I super duper love about this token. Now, the last one is obviously the sniping. Now, for example, I did show you in this tutorial up the top here, as it shows you how to snipe these tokens. So obviously you do need some other resources. I do have a BonkBot referral down below. Sign up using that because that allows you to get access to the alerts channel here in the burn contract address. This allows you to then track current meme coins that have just launched on chain. Now, the beautiful thing about this is that it actually has particular ones that are up and coming. So as you can see here at 1:30 earlier today, this token here was 32 minutes in advance. So even though it's not renounced, as you can see here, you could have really looked to potentially get into this token and launch it. So instead of having the buy button, like I showed you here, okay, so instead of having the buy button, I'd copy the contract address, I'd paste it in. Instead of having the buy button, it would obviously have the snipe button. And that's how you essentially can snipe some of these tokens before they launch. But obviously, check out my snipe tutorial, guys, because that gives you exactly the details on how to go about that particular trade. Outside that, guys, it is extremely useful. It's an extremely great bot to be using. It covers everything you need to be doing in Solana Memecoin. So I'd highly recommend that you sign up using the referral link in the description below or on my Twitter page because it gets you using this bot super duper quickly. And it is by far my favorite bot right now to snipe, to set limit orders, and to trade these Solana Memecoins. So there you have it, guys. There's my ultimate tutorial on how to maximize profit using this Solana sniping bot. If you like my content, guys, please subscribe down below. Smash the like button as well because it helps me grow and I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to check out the link to my private alpha group, guys, if you want exclusive access into how I trade these Solana meme coins and trade them, making tens of thousands of dollars every single week. So definitely check out the warp.com link as it shows you here on the screen in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button, guys, and I will see you again soon in the next one.